Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications on TCL 408. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Now in the top search, find app called Notify Buddy. Install it. When it's ready, you should be able to open this app. Now we can move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. From here, the app is ready. We can see 4 different tabs: User, System, Active, and in Settings. In User, you can activate any apps and allow them for custom LED lamp notifications. In the System, you can do the same thing, but with all system-bound apps. In Active, there's all apps that we've just activated. And in the settings, we can customize our LED lamp with different size, shape, placement on a screen, or color. Let's click on the test button and you should be able to see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.